I'm kind of creating a little snowdrift design, and then I have snowmen and snowflakes that will go in the base. So yeah, that's the goal. I'm gonna go ahead, I need to get a little bit more white soap and I'll speed this up, but that's basically what I'm going for. The snowman top. They're cute. Let's cut this. So I have a couple different snowman designs. I don't know which was in which loaf. There are 2 loaves I made. So we'll cut this and see which ones were in this loaf. See how this inside turned out. Challenging, kind of, like not hugely challenging, but it was setting, the fragrance started to set up. And so that made it interesting. Okay, so all the mini snowflakes, they're cute. I like them. I wasn't sure. Like, I was really like, will this work? And then the sky actually does have, look how they managed to go all on top, like a swirl. So I took the blue base and I separated a little bit out into 2 containers, and I just added varying amounts of titanium dioxide, and then I in the pot swirled it and poured it, and I like it. It's almost like it's a windy night. It's cool. I like this snowman. So I'm curious to see that. But this is the simpler one. And then you have the little snowman on top. I actually really like this. So I have been making 40 pounds of soap each day, all day this week. I have no idea in which order this video will air, but suffice it to say that I am kind of exhausted, but I'm on a deadline, and so I had to up the game of how much soap I make. Normally I don't make more than 20 pounds in a day. But like I said, I've been on a deadline. So I've been making 40 pounds, which again it's a lot when you're doing small designs and you have multiple designs. So I really like that. That is just cute. I will take that. Let's cut the other one out and see. So anyways, I've been exhausted. I have been making 40 pounds of soap, cutting that 40 pounds of soap, making embeds every day, like hours worth of embeds. I probably sit down, I don't know, I finish in the studio around 4. About 4-ish, 3-4-ish. Because I also have other bath products and things that I've been trying to work on a little bit, as well as making soap. Plus I've had to package stuff, get my ready for big shows this weekend, so it's been busy. Anyways, I sit down in the evening and probably from 4 to about 8 with a short break for dinner, I have been making embeds. Just making tons and tons of embeds. Lots of soap dough prep, lots of extruding, lots of assembling. I am exhausted. The good news is that last night I finished up almost all of the embeds. So there's a few more things, small things I have to do. Not a big deal. And then basically I'm done. That being said, there's a couple other embeds I'm gonna make because I'll need them in a couple weeks. So, but I don't have to make them. Like, I have time. I can come back and give myself a little bit of a break. So I feel like the end stretch is finally here. And oh my gosh, I'm so tired and done and ready. And so anyways, when I'm that tired and I'm making soaps, sometimes something that is relatively minor feels like it's massive, like just majorly went wrong, even if it didn't. And so that's why with this soap, it was the last one I made, and I was so tired and so exhausted, and I just thought this one hadn't worked, but it did. And so I'm really happy. It's very frustrating when soap starts to get thick on you. Okay, so this is the other, there's 2 different snowmen in this one. So there's this dude with the blue hat, and then there's the more traditional dude with the black hat. I think I like this one better. I like the other one too. It's playful, kind of kiddish. But I think I like him. His head shifted a little bit. That's okay. So, and I like this. I really like the swirl and the mini snowflakes. Oh my gosh, that was a lot of extruding. All those snowflakes. It was worth it. Yeah, I really like them. So you have this snowman, and this snowman. So there's 3 different versions. And then with this one, let's see, do I have, oh yes. I also have a girl version, if I can grab it. So you have the hat, or you can just do a bow. She is not in any of these. But so those are new discs that should be listed on the webpage at the time of this video being posted. So if you're interested in grabbing them. I also have these, so this is the large, but I also made smaller versions so you can make mini ones, which I used in, I haven't made the soap yet, but I just finished making all the embeds. They're snow globes, and I'm so excited to make this soap because I think they're adorable. So you'll see these guys again. Maybe you've already seen them, maybe you haven't, again, depending on when I actually post the videos, but I haven't made the soap yet, so I'm very excited to make it. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'm surprisingly very happy with these, considering all the headaches that I had yesterday making the soap.